Hi, thank you for taking the time and watching my video. My name is Tisha. I spoke to one of your associates this week and mentioned that I was going to be sending over a customized video for your company. I came across your company's website when I was doing research of plumbers in the area. So I just wanted to take some time out just to provide some tips for helping you with your online presence and getting new customers. So today we'll be talking about three things. We'll be talking about content, citations, and backlinks. So content is anything that can be found throughout your website. So words, pictures, oh, excuse me for that. So words, pictures, videos, anything that the pictures are saved as or what's behind the pictures. So I do encourage at least 1,500 words on the website itself. Now, the more content that you have, the more that you're able to utilize keywords. Now, keywords or phrases are what's used within the content. When people type in Google and they type in it could be words, a phrase, a sentence, things like that. It will lead back the business back over to your website. So that's really important just to make sure you are utilizing that to have more business. The next thing will be citations. Now, citations is anywhere that your website can be found. It could be on Google, Yelp, Facebook, LinkedIn, Angie's List. So the more citations that you have out there, the better. People are able to find your business. So just taking a look at plumbers in Sacramento. So this is what I found. This is the first thing we'll see here would be our map pack. So these are businesses that have on my Google My Business page. It's really important to be in the map pack. Generally, when people type in plumbers, for example, they're going to call the first business that they see and go directly to their website as well. So if you're able to get your business in this area, then that's going to be better for you. The next that we'll talk about is an organic search. My apologies. So in this search, your biggest competition is Router Hero. So they're coming in at number one. Now, I was looking to see where your website is ranked, and I'm showing that you were on page 5. And see here, there's going to be ads that come up before your page as well. Now, that's not always good to have ads because some people do have ad blockers, so sometimes they're not able to see those ads. But nonetheless, in this scenario, you do see ads before your website, and you are number 49. So that also shows an importance of using those keywords to get you on that front page. That will be the goal. So as I mentioned, Router Hero is your competition. So just wanted to show you their website. So they are taking advantage of some keywords. They have a lot of content. They have videos. And they clearly list all the services that are provided. Okay, so the next we'll look at will be Ahrefs. It's a website that we use. Just shows how your website is doing. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So I'm showing here that you have 710 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that lead back to your business or generate traffic back to your business. So these backlinks could be listed on those websites, as I mentioned before, or on the internet itself. So when they click on there, it'll send them right back over to your website. So then you're able to get more customers. The more backlinks you have, the more customers. Not all backlinks are the same. So some are more quality. So for example, if you were to have a backlink coming from a restaurant versus a hardware store, then that might generate a different type of traffic back over to your website or the number of people. Showing that you're using over 1,000 keywords. and you have an organic traffic of about 880 people per month, and this is about how much revenue you're getting from the people who are visiting your website. Now, in comparison, you'll look at Router Hero. They have over 24,000 backlinks. Now, the longer that you have your website, the more backlinks you may have, and then your ranking will also improve with that. They have 898 domains. They're using 6,300 keywords, and about 9,000 people are visiting their website, and they're generating about this much in revenue. Okay, so again, just want to go over just some few tips that may help you with getting more customers. Now, you're welcome to use these tips on your own. If you would like to discuss this further, I would love to hear from you. My contact phone number is 916-378-9773. But if not, I still would like to hear your feedback on this video, so I look forward to hearing from you soon. Again, thank you so much for taking out the time and watching this video. You have a good day.